Your vehicle is part of who you are. It gets you from here to there. But does it still meet your needs? In a recent survey, customers rated their buying experience with Washington New Car and Truck Dealers as excellent, and they're determined to make your next purchase even better with the right vehicle at the right price and with the best financing options. So wherever the road leads you in Washington, you'll find over 300 new car and truck dealers ready to serve you. Visit WSADA.org to find a dealer near you.